May 4K.
May event si...
Oo nga, nakita ko.
Nakita ko.
Sila,
Sunday.
yeah, people we know.
They were promoting it.
Oo nga eh. Oh, bili tayo nun. Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. Ayan, Manila area. This is Ross Boulevard. MOA, banda doon. This heads to the south. We're just past the airports. Digmaan. It's 7:37 in the morning. The traffic is getting worse and worse. Holiday season na rin. Expected na yan. Pero alam nyo, ang traffic ng Manila, while cycling, yan ang charm naman talaga ng city riding eh. What is city riding without the traffic?
Labanan ng camera.
Give it up for the late, Alex Abong.
Nabasa na camera. Ikaw wala ka.
Mas gusto ko yung camera mo, Manny. May free frame kasi.
Ay, you got a new camera na.
Free frame, yes, 3S. And I hate it, I hate it.
I don't like it.
Oh, everything else is good, pero yung absence of free frame. I love this building. This area in general, ang ganda. So, Parkal property. Para kang abroad eh. Look at that. And the structure over here, yung parang pyramid thing. Oh, I can feel the breeze, no? Meron tayong breeze na head on. Matetest yung wind muffs na kinabit ko dito sa Go 3S natin. If it works. I'm still getting the hang of holding this camera, no, na hindi nakakabit sa chest mount. It's just different. The grip is different, of course. It's a different shape, but I miss my go-to. Buhay pa naman yung go-to ko. And I still intend to use it. But as much as possible, syempre, magsasanay tayo dito sa Go 3S. Because it's the new one. Love this building. Look at that staircase, no? Cardio. Sa kanan natin is Intramuros. We're at the perimeter of Intramuros. Cobbles. Lima po. May Gcash po tayo? Magkano lima? Fort Santiago, ladies and gentlemen. inside. Okay, so I'll take you guys to one of my favorite spots here in Port Santiago. Tabing dagat. Tabing ilog. Sabayan natin ng mga field trip ng mga bata-bata. Sabayan natin ng field trips. Dami. They look like they come from different schools too. Oh, look at that. So cute. This is Plaza de Armas. Where's the gang? Balik muna tayo. Naipit sila. Naharangan ng mga batang entrance eh. So, yung mga nakabike had to wait. Yeah, they're here. Unahan natin yung mga kids dun sa favorite spot ko. Nakikipag-agawan eh. Yan, so dito yan. Dito yan. Bababa tayo dyan. Pero before that, I want to show you something. That's Rizal. Alex! Somebody.
Somebody.
Yeah, that's Jose Rizal.
Yeah.
Dito siya kinulong.
Ah, really?
Yes. Yeah. But, representation na lang ng what his cell would have looked like. Pero dito yan, sa area na to. Dito siya. Final moments before he was shot. Yan. Boys and girls?
Yes.
Hirap hawakan ng GO3. Ain't that nice? Ganda, di ba? Look at that.
This is na.
Marami na akong lalaking dinala dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Yep, so this is our coffee stop. El Des Van. Des Van ba yan? Ayan, iced coffee lang. Iced latte. Simple. Then we ride back to BGC. We probably have breakfast there. Proper one.
Okay ah.
Oh, meron pang pa-powder sa ibabaw. So, El Des Van Cafe. Let's see ha. Napaka-wide ng ng lens ko. This is so close to the cup pero kuha pa si Manny Kaway ka. Can you believe nasa frame ka pa?
Yun yung bawi.
Galing ano?
Yun yung bawi
Napaka Yeah, pero hindi pa rin. I wouldn't trade this for the ability to pan up and down talaga in editing. Salamat.
Welcome.
Haluin natin. Kasi may white siya sa ilalim. Baka condensed milk, baka Spanish style pa to. It makes sense sa Spanish style.
Hindi mahalo eh.
Malapot.
Oo. Yan. Condensed milk.
Spanish nga. Bakit hindi? Quiz para sa taga London. Ano ibig sabihin ng intramuros? Bikes of the day. This is Mistra's V3RS. Hindi lang siya drive side, pero naka-Campagnolo chorus siya. WTO 33s. Emirates badge yan. 90s bike. This is the Open Mind race. Beast components, beast wheels, beast cockpit, and the pink accents over here. Ito bike ni Gabto, Seka. I showed this bike to you guys before. Yung antenna hill tayo. Seka. Black and white. Ganda, no? Ito, bike ni Alex. It's a Roubaix. SRAM Force. Bye, Fort Santiago. Dami pa rin paparating, oh. It's field trip day today. As you can see, we're out of Intramuros and nandito na tayo sa side ng street kung nasa ng kilometer 0. Right across would be the Rizal Shrine. Let's take pictures muna sa KM0 because we got a couple people here who haven't been. And right now I'm waiting for Alex na iwan na siya sa stoplight. Manny and the rest are over there. Nauna na mag-picture. Here we go. This is a great ride so far, no? Andito lahat eh. Tigmaan sa traffic. Malamig kanina, ngayon mainit na. It's a mixed bag of a ride. Everyone's enjoying. Oh, by the way, it's my birthday today. Ngayon mismo. So, nobody paid for anything. Sinagot ko lahat. Coffee nila kanina sa Intramuros. We're headed to BGC. Pabalik na kami. We might make a stop at Denny's. No, let's get everybody brunch. Sagot ko din yan, syempre. Yeah, spending our birthday morning riding out. It's mamaya. The rest of the day I'm gonna spend it with my family, of course. Ang tagal ng go! Post na. Zero eh. Zero, yeah. Okay, that's it. We're back in VGC. Man, McKinley was hellish. And anong oras na, no? 10:07. We're waiting for Alex and he's right about here. Sama! Traffic talagang digmaan. Anytime, basta umaga.
Filter through.
What's that?
How do you guys filter through?
We just did. We filtered through like the true gem boys that we are.